Adjust the water coming from the faucet so that the temperature is comfortable. Water too hot can damage your skin and is not necessary for cleaning. Water must be running to wash away pathogens. Wet the forearms and hands from elbow to fingertips. Keep the hands lower than the elbows. Water flows off the fingertips. Scrub the nails with a nail brush to loosen oil and dirt. Clean the nail surface and under the nails. Create a soapy lather with the hands and spread the soap up to the elbows. Liquid soap is preferred. If using a bar of soap, be sure to rinse it after each use. Cover the entire skin surface, including the fingers and the thumb webs. Scrub for at least 15 seconds. Particles and pathogens become suspended in the soapy lather and are washed away.
Just rinse. Yeah, you've done it for 15.
Rinse the soap off completely from fingertips to elbows. Water flows off the forearms near the elbows. Dry hands and forearms thoroughly with clean paper towels to prevent chapping.